Wayfinding Pro's Software Development Kit, or SDK, allows you to get your wayfinding system up and running quickly and easily. This brief video will show you the basics of Wayfinding Pro so you can try the system for free. We'll cover these topics: registering to become a Wayfinding Pro user, creating a project, downloading and installing the plotter used to map your floor plan, scanning your floor layout, defining your aisles and locations, creating a web and mobile web application, creating a kiosk or digital signage application, and using the APIs to build your own custom wayfinding application. At the end of this video, you will have enough knowledge to get started on your first project, and you'll be on your way to learn all of the many features of Wayfinding Pro. The first step is to register as a Wayfinding Pro user. There is no cost to register, no cost to use the SDK, and no credit card information needed. To register, visit the SDK and click Create an Account, then click Enroll Now. Complete the form and submit your registration. You will receive an email shortly after you register with a code that must be entered to complete your registration. It's that simple. Next, you'll create your first project. This is done using the administrative web portal. To get to the portal, open a browser window, go to www.wayfindingpro.com, and click on User Sign-In. Enter your user ID and password to be taken to the project screen. Click on New Project and enter the requested information, including the address of the building which is required. This is needed in case you ever want to integrate your indoor digital wayfinding application into Google Maps, Bing, or MapQuest. Next, download and install the plotter onto your PC. This plotter is located on the SDK page. Click on the plotter selection and click on the download button. Simply follow the instructions on your screen to install it. You must have a scan of your floor plan on your PC to complete this step. This image can come from CAD drawings or hand-drawn sketches and can be in any of the commonly used graphic formats such as PNG, JPEG, or GIF. Open the plotter and sign in. Please note that your PC must be connected to the internet for the plotter to work. Once opened, click on Add Floor. You will be prompted to enter a floor number and name. To load the image, click on Browse for Image and select the image representing your floor plan. While there are many features contained within your desktop plotter, we will only focus on the basics to define the routes. So we'll focus on defining the aisles and locations on the floor plan. To define an aisle, click on the toolbox and then the Path tool. Move the mouse to the start of the aisle. Left-click and hold the mouse key, dragging the cursor to the end of the aisle. You have now created an aisle. Let's do that one more time. We move the mouse to the start of the aisle, left-click, drag, and complete. To define a location, click on the Edit Waypoint/Path tool in the toolbox. A destination can only be at a waypoint on the floor plan, which means at an intersection or endpoint to an aisle. Each of these is shown as a box or circle. This tool is used to define the attribute of both paths or aisles and waypoints. Move the cursor to a destination and click. The attribute box is displayed. Click Attributes to edit the attributes. You repeat the process to define all your aisles and attributes. In our documentation, you can learn how to define elevators, escalators, and stairs to join floors together and other points of interest. Creating a web application is simple, but may require some minor assistance from your web designer. First, you must create a new web page. On this page, you can design your map's banners and company identifiers. Next, define the display area. This is done by inserting an iframe into the web page. Please note you will need the dimensions of the iframe to do this. Next, select the Web Application section on the SDK page. Complete the information required by the code generator and click Generate. copy the generated code, and insert it into the iframe command string. Finally, simply link this new page to your website and you are ready to go. If you are looking for a kiosk or digital signage application to place at your door or in your lobby, there is a ready-to-install application in our SDK that can be customized with your logo and message. To download the application, go to our SDK and click on the Kiosk Digital Signage section. Then click Download. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to install on your PC. Once downloaded, open the application to configure it. The configuration menu is reached by clicking 3 times on the banner at the top. From this menu box, you can custom tailor your kiosk or digital signage application to meet your needs. Please note that to change the logo and banner messages at the top, the project being displayed must be owned by a full access user. If you want to build your own application or customize one of the standard applications, Wayfinding Pro comes with a complete toolkit of application program interfaces, or APIs. These can be used with a variety of programming languages, such as the .NET Framework, the jQuery JavaScript library, JavaScript, and PHP. The request and response is SOAP. Complete documentation and examples are available on our SDK. That's all you need to know to build a basic wayfinding application. For complete details on all of the features of Wayfinding Pro, access our software development kit at www.wayfindingpro.com/SDK.